Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is July the 27th. I just wanted to give you a little update on my garden. First thing you see here are the marigolds. All of those grown from seed. I do have videos on my channel. Look how beautiful these things are. Absolutely, they're doing super well. The amount of growth and how green they are, very, very impressive. I've got those here. And then if we go over to another garden here, you can see all of the ones here as well. Look at this. I have so many of these around my property. They look amazing. Well, let's go back to this one here, because I'm going to pick some of these today, but I just thought I would show you the cucumbers. These are the hybrid cucumbers, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants, only 4 plants. You would not believe how many cucumbers I have already taken off of these plants. They just keep coming. And the secret with cucumbers is do not let them get too big. Remove them, and that will keep the plant producing more. As soon as you start letting them go too large, the plant thinks that its growing season is over and it says, oh, my job is accomplished, and it stops producing. But I'm just going to move. This thing here is my cage, but I place it like that because I have a lot of deer that come around 5 o'clock in the morning, and they will, they're rather cheeky. They will come in here and eat my stuff. If I had this like right up against the side, they'll come right in here and start eating stuff. So I'll just bring that down and we'll get a little closer here. Now these are peppers that I started off from seed as well. We've got some peppers in here, little peppers. You can see them right here. Now let's go along here. More peppers here. There you can see they're just starting in there. Peppers I find are very slow. I've got a bunch of stuff, and I did so much basil this year. I have basil everywhere. But let's look at the cucumbers. So you can see, go right up to the top here, quite high up. But you can just, as soon as I open this up, you can kind of see here, if I get in here, look at this. Look at, there's one there. They hide all over the place, and it is amazing just overnight how much bigger these things can get. Look at them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one there, 6. I just keep taking them off every day. Yeah, it's amazing. Did I miss a couple down there? Right down there? Yeah, pretty impressive. There's a couple up there, you see, because those are a little bit larger. That one there. That one's a nice size right now. Maybe another day and I'll take that one off. And we come down over here. Look at them all. They're like Christmas ornaments just hanging there ready to go. Look at them all. It's amazing. Look, there's one hiding in there. Pretty impressive. You can see them. Oh, there's another one in here. And that is just 4 plants. Look at them. Look at them all in here. Hiding in there. There's one there way in the back. Wow. If I can get in here and get another little view here, look at them all. Look, up here too. Yep, hybrid, that's the way to go. Anyway, that's it for this one here. And then we can switch over to here. You can see very large pepper plants with nothing really happening. And then we've got more peppers in the back. And then something else that I'm excited about. Oh, well, first of all, I've got more basil in here. You can actually see some of this basil needs to be cut because it's starting to flower. Once it starts to flower, it's not good because the plant will slow down production. These here are all hybrid tomatoes. See how nice those are? They're coming along right in there. I just trimmed a lot of the branches off on the lower part of these plants yesterday. Come along here. They're pretty high up. Look at how high these are going. Very, very nice. So I just wanted to give you a little fast overview, and of course all of my nice marigolds. Now we're at a different part of my property. You can see all of these also grown from seed, and they are coming along really well. I've got some there. These need to be watered again. I just watered these yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday afternoon, and they're already drying out. Not the best container for something like that where it gets sun all the time. Another one here, and then up here. Look at how full these have become. It's unbelievable. Anyway, that's the marigolds. Well, I guess I'll finish off the video here. I just came back to my basil. I am very impressed with these plants. They look amazing and they are so healthy. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.